Alright, y'all, so my whole little trip going down to Fort Pierce tonight is basically canceled. Try it again in the morning. Church Goes Audio had to wrap up what we was talking about getting done to the Chevy. So yeah. Woo! Boy, I can't wait the money, man. But anyways, we back with another little vlog. This is my third time trying to record this. Yes, the red light is on. Dealing with Melrose today. I got up underneath the carpet today to be able to pull those seatbelt buckle brackets, whatever you want to call it, flicker things. I ended up getting that from up underneath the carpet. Don't ask me why. It wasn't from in between the carpet. When I first laid the carpet down, I really don't know what I was thinking. Getting my seatbelts to properly function now. My mama don't be tripping every time she watched my vlog and she noticed that I ain't got on no seatbelts. So Marv, you watching this, man, I got seatbelts now, so you can leave me alone about that. The thing that I had to notice, since I'm doing a fully thorough check over, whatever you want to call this, of Melrose, before we hit down the knob, because we is gonna be in the street, my windshield wipers don't work. I went to panicking and doing all of that. I ended up noticing that the fuse up underneath the dashboard, thank God I'm the second owner of this car, I don't have a whole bunch of tangly wires going all over the place. Everything is still nice and neat from the factory, with the exception of what Treasure Coast Audio nicely placed up underneath my dashboard. Snatching out the fuse. The fuse needs to be replaced, so we're gonna go to O'Reilly's, get a new fuse, and then come back and check that out. The neighbor next door and ended up coming over here to measure the back side of the cabinet, able to cut the wood. Well, he's gonna cut the wood for me, so I can go ahead and place back there. I'm gonna end up taking the wood probably to Fort Pierce, let Joyce wrap it, and then I could just bring it back. So I found somebody that's willing to wet sand and buff my car. I wanted to take it down there to vert season, but man, it's the time frame and me having to leave my car down there and drive down to Miami and then having to come back. I just ain't got time for it. Look at that front, that's fake.
That's real. Yeah,
no, that's fake Maryland fried, man. You know Vera only got Maryland fried. If you know about Maryland fried, man, you know about Maryland fried. What is that, hush puppy?
Chicken.
You got hush puppies? I mean, not hush puppies, corn fritters? No. Bag. What's in that small bag right there? Right. Anyways, man, I'm gonna go ahead and get the O'Reilly's. I don't need to be eating corn fritters anyways, man. But if you ever had Maryland fried, you know Maryland fried swing, dog. Got the car locked and loaded. Yeah, down here to Fort Pierce, man. Gotta go take the car back to Mike, try to figure out how to adjust these shift points on the car so I can be able to shift the correct way instead of having to, you feel me, push it all the way down to the floor. He got it right, don't get me wrong, he got it right now. But it's just not responding quick enough for me, so I'll go ahead and get this settled out. Damn! I'm pissed off, but I'm not going back home. I promise you I'm not going back home. I promise you I'm not going back home, man. I got side trim for the car now. I got red side trim that go down the side. But I ended up leaving it at the house, so I guess I'm gonna have to end up letting Como just go ahead and do his thing. Probably another time when I come back down. And I don't like the way that tire look, I guess, because all the weight look like it's on one damn side, or is it just me? I don't know. Alright, y'all, so my whole little trip going down to Fort Pierce tonight is basically canceled. Try it again in the morning. What had done happened was I'm at the gas station. Trailer was leaning to one side, so I'm just like, damn, like that seemed awkward as hell. I'm finna get some gas, go there to the air pump, put some air inside of the tire, which I know is crazy as hell of me to do this, and I don't understand why I did it. Ended up putting air inside of the trailer tire while the Chevy was on the back, because it read the tire pressure as 23. And I felt like when I pulled over there, I had done double check the trailer, and it looked like it had done level back out. Maybe it was just the way how I had it turned. I barely made it out of town. That's the good part about it. Because if it would have been happening on Turnpike 95, I would have been pissed. Yeah, that's pretty much about it right now. I guess I'm just taking Melrose off and I guess just driving home. Try to figure out what I can do about this trailer tire. What's so crazy was, I was at the gas station and I told myself, I say, this was after I had put air inside the tire. I said, tomorrow when I get in Fort Pills, I'm gonna swing by the place where I bought the trailer from and buy a spare tire, because I said I should have been got one when I had first bought the trailer, but I didn't. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got going on right now. And it's like, I'm not even mad, because all the signs show that I did not need to go down to Fort Pierce today. And me, I didn't listen. It started raining. I mean, pouring down raining early. Every time I went back out there to go scrap down the trailer, it just went to raining more, raining more, raining more. And then it finally stopped raining towards the night. And I'm like, you know what? I'm finna just try to make my way down here so I ain't gotta worry about it in the morning. You know, it ain't nothing but just like a little short little hour and a half drive. And this is what happened. All right, man. So what's going on? I had to position the trailer so I can go ahead and drop Melrose off, but this is what the tire looked like. It don't even look shredded. It just, I don't know. Maybe once I take it off, go to the local tire shop in the morning, I can be able to figure out what's really going on with it. Yeah, man. I ain't really tripping though. I had too many signs today with the rain and whatnot, so it is what it is. Get it fixed in the morning and be back on the road. Don't ask me why my belt is back squeaking. I honestly couldn't tell you. Turn that defrost on, man. Give Melrose some gas. Got to make a great situation out of every situation, even the bad ones. I'm going ahead and take Melrose back home, man. Put Melrose back in that garage, man. She done been out here in this rain all day long. All right, y'all, we just left Church Coast Audio. Had to wrap up what we was talking about getting done to the Chevy. So, going with tweets up here. Got them Tampino things going down there because DS18 want to bullshit around. This was 6.5s back there. Line it up, 4 6.5s, and going with 4 driver horns. Don't know how in the world it's gonna fit, but I'm listening to them. Back side with the trunk, this is what we got going on. 2 15s. Put the battery, they're gonna build me a nice little amp right back there. Put mids and highs amp, bass amp, and batteries tucked on the back side, they said. So let's see how this thing's supposed to go now. And hopefully, for the price that they charge me, I can be whamming real good, man. This crowd don't make no sense, dog. Every time I crank her up, man, she just be begging and begging and begging. Golly.
The Chevy do something to my self-esteem. Alpine in the dash, and the dudes in the ass, and that wet paint shit look like glass.